welcome back to All Things Stacy. Hi, my name is Stacy if you do not know me, and on this YouTube channel we're all about lifestyle and food, so come and spend a day with me. So today, oh hold on the agenda, I'm going to bring my sister's hair. I think I have a slight cold going on, so I was trying to see if I could make some ginger tea and then we'll get ready and leave. Okay, so come on. This is the ginger tea I'm going to be using. How was y'all Mother's Day? Oh, let me show you. My daughter made me this cute Mother's Day card. It's so cute. Let me show you. Hold on. I don't know how to feel about this, but she says she loves it when I cook for her. Look at how she spelled the cook. And you know I'm Ghanaian. They asked her, what's my favorite food? This child is trying to spell banku. Look at this. I'm done. My mom and I, we like to cook. We like to cook together. She tried. Let me tell you, she's only 5. I'll be 6. She's good at cooking. And my mom says she loves me. And look at my name. Vendetta. I'm done getting ready. I'm using the scent Orbit Pink I bought from a friend, and also I have my Victoria's Secret teas over here. I'm gonna first go in with the Victoria's Secret and then the Orbit. This smells like bubble gum. I do not know what I'm wearing on my foot right now, but this is the full outfit. It's a long skirt. I got the skirt from Shein, and this is OQQ, I think, on Amazon. I have my auto bag right here. It's my everyday bag. I'm gonna just put everything in there. I have my lip gloss and stuff. And if you hear any noise in the background, it's my boyfriend. Say hi.
What's up? Hi, mother.
Check him out on Weiss's Corner on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, let's head out. It's also cold, so I'm going to be wearing this jean jacket on top of my outfit. good. And when you're done eating, make sure to floss so your breath don't stink. I have a little bit of errands to run today, so I guess I'm gonna take you along. I just had breakfast. I had cocoa and kosiane pano. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you back when I have to go on the errand.